Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Dean Vafiadis. I'm a prosthodontist here in New York City. I've been educating for the last 35 years at NYU and Nova for the past 4 years. Very happy to implement the ELF scanner in our office. It's been here for about 3 months and it's been fast and beautiful and super accurate. So we've been scanning here at the New York Smile Institute since 2008. I've tested and tried of many scanners over the years. We've had up to 5 different scanners here. And for me, what I'm always looking for is 1, the ease of use, 2, the accuracy that could be implemented into the laboratory, 3, the educational component. Can I teach it to residents and can I teach it to my staff? Can my staff easily implement it into our office? So those are the things that I'm looking for. Then of course, I'm always looking for features that are something different. Our educational is very focused on occlusion and the way the teeth meet. So occlusal scans are super important to me. The analysis of the occlusal scan is important, and what we found with the ELF scanner, it's super fast and a lot of great diagnostic tools that I can use to really match up the teeth, especially when you're missing a lot of teeth and you're trying to get the right vertical dimension or you're trying to get the right bite registration. So we found with the ELF scanner that the IntelliBite is an AI feature of the occlusal analysis, getting that bite to be really perfect. It's a super great feature that I've never seen on any other scanner. The second feature is the occlusal sphere, which uses a tracking system, cross-sectional view of the intercusp of the upper and the lower teeth. And actually in real time, you can show the patient where the teeth are either not hitting or in cross-bite or in wrong position. So it's a really great feature to show the patient how their teeth are meeting or they're not meeting. And that starts the conversation of whether it's restorative dentistry, whether it's orthodontics, to get those cusps and those alignments are really great, especially with good occlusion that we're trying to get. I think on the second feature, once the restorations are completed, it's another checkpoint for us to use that sphere analysis through AI to see the exact cusp that we've attained with our restorations. So to me, it's about communicating to the patient, being able to educate dentists about it, and then having an ease of use of it. And then the lightweight feature of the ELF scanner really has taken off in our office. It's been very easy to adopt. Great part of Shining 3D has been the integration of all their pieces. A lot of companies either sell a scanner or some companies sell a printer. The real ecosystem of getting the workflow working together with each piece that's being integrated together, and now with our new CBCT scan, everything's flowing a lot faster. The downloading time, the processing time at the laboratory has been decreased. The speed of the scanner is amazing. The accuracy is transferring to the printing models. So again, for us being so digital, to be able to connect one company that has all the features is a big plus for us, especially when we're doing education and teaching our doctors to say this is the system that you need to really get your office in a very cost-effective way, really flying, really going fast, and moving the digital technology in their office to a higher level that no other company has been able to do. So if you haven't had any scanning experience, this is the time to get into it. You have a great company who knows the pieces and the parts to make your workflow, your digital workflow, really work. The real deal of digital is the scanner, it's the printer, and it's the facial scanner, all integrated together. And like I said, if you haven't had a scanner, it's a beautiful time to get it.